Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I said in my previous video, I'll be posting videos for each of the difficult questions that came in June 2026 IGCSE Edexcel Maths A, Paper 2 for Higher. So in this video, we're going to do the vector question. In the last video, I did the question that came for similar shapes. If you want to check that out, I have attached the link above. So in this question, it says the diagram shows a quadrilateral OABC, where O, A, B, and C represent the positions of four houses. Ria walks directly from A to B. So she's going from here to here. And then Anna walks directly from A to C and then walks directly from C to B. So this is for Ria and this is for Anna. So it's saying that OA, OB, and OC are given in meters. Work out how much further Anna walks than Ria walks, giving answer correct to one decimal place. So this question is formatted differently compared to what you have usually seen in your past papers, but this is actually easy to solve. So what you're going to do is you're going to first find vector AB, then you're going to find vector AC, then vector CB. After that, you're going to use the distance formula and find the magnitude of those vectors, which are basically going to be the distance from A to B, A to C, and C to B. Then you're going to add the distance for AC and CB to get the total distance that we have walked, and then subtract that and the distance AB to get how much further Anna walks than Ria walks. So let's start with this. So we first find AB, which is going to be AO plus OB. AO is going to be the opposite direction of OA. So that's going to be -2 and -8. Since we're changing the direction of the vector, the sign of the vector changes. And then OB comes as it is, which is 21 and 14. Add this up and that gives us 19 and 6. So that's AB. Now we find vector AC. So for AC, it's going to be AO plus OC. So that's -2, -8 again, and plus OC, which is 12 and 3. So -2 plus 12 is 10, and -8 plus 3 is going to be -5. So that's AC. Now we find vector CB, which is going to be CO plus OB. So CO is going to be again -12 and -3, and OB is 21 and 14. -12 plus 21 is going to be 9. -3 plus 14 is 11. In case you don't know how to make these equations for A, B, AC, and CB, what you'll do is you will see where you're going from. A to B is like you're going from A to B. So you can go from A to O and then from O to B. So that is your path. Similarly, for AC, you go from A to O and then O to C. And then for CB, we go from C to O and then O to B. So you have to make your paths for each of the vectors and then you make your equation according to that. Now that we found the vectors for A, B, AC, and CB, now we're going to find the magnitude of the vectors. So AB is going to be the root of 19 squared plus 6 squared. That's going to give us 19.92 meters because it's saying that they're given in meters. Then we're going to find vector AC, which is going to be square root of 10 squared plus -5 squared. And that's going to give us 11.18 meters. And then for CB, it's going to be root of 9 squared plus 11 squared. So that's equal to 14.21 meters. Now for Ria, your distance is 19.92 meters. And for Anna, It's A to C, which is 11.18 plus 14.21, and that equals 25.39 meters. So the difference between 25.39 minus 19.92 is 5.5 meters, correct to one decimal place. So that is how much further Anna walks than Ria walks. So once again, I know the question looks slightly different from what you have seen in the past papers. Like, this is not a very common question, but it's actually simpler compared to those questions. You just have to find your vectors for AB, AC, and CB. Then you find their magnitudes by doing square root of the sum of the squares of the x and y value. And then you add and subtract based on what you're trying to find. And with that, we're done with this question. If you have any questions or confusions, please leave a comment below and I'll help you out. Do share how you solved this question. Did you find it to be easy or difficult? And let me know which question you want me to solve in the next video.